All right, everybody. As you can see, the juicer is out, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I just had a green vegetable juice. It was delicious. I just have my sprouts going there, and I used some sprouts. But here is the juicer that I'm using. This is the Green Star Tribest Green Star Pro that I love so much. And I have a star fruit tree. And star fruit is a delicious fruit. That's why they call it a star. It looks like a star. And I'm going to be making star fruit juice, but I don't recommend straight up fruit juice. It's too much sugar. So like if I do orange juice, I'll dilute it with water. If I do star fruit, I'm going to dilute it with celery. So it's going to be half celery and half star fruit juice. And then I'm going to put some color into it. I got these beets, or one beet specifically. And that's going to give it a color. And then I got some ginger to add a little spice to it. I'm going to just take a piece of that. So this is a raw food fruit punch. It tastes just like Hawaiian punch, but we're going to call it a tropical Florida punch. So I'm going to cut up those, and I'm going to juice them with the celery, the ginger, and that. So it's like Hawaiian punch with a little ginger in there. So here I go. Okay, so here's the star fruit. I cut it up. I didn't wash the juicer yet from the last green juice I made, and that's totally fine. So I'm going to put, in this particular juicer, I put the soft stuff in first, so I'll put the good amount of the star fruit in first. And again, this would be way too sweet to just drink straight by itself, in my opinion. So then I put some celery in here as well. And the fiber from the celery is going to push the star fruit out of the juicer. And I always say a juicer is similar to our bodies, and meaning, so the idea of our bodies is to juice the food, and the fiber is supposed to push it through. So some more celery here, and then we'll put some beets as well. See that color down there? Here it's coming through now. That's the pulp. Now you can take this pulp and you can make something with that. Some bread or some in a dehydrator or some cookies or some flax crackers. I really like to make flax crackers with that. So we got that. And now we're going to get a piece of ginger. Ginger can be very overpowering, so I'm not going to have the biggest piece. All right, a piece of ginger. I'm going to add another bit of celery here. Let's see. Another piece of celery. Oh, let me cut these. I'm going to put another half a star fruit and then start the process again. Smell that ginger. Give myself a little cup here. So here's how it looks in the juicer. There you go. That's a raw food fruit punch. Delicious. All right, everybody. If you've had something like this before, put your comments or questions below. If you haven't, I am telling you, this is an amazing drink. Some people put apple in here as well. I just love it the way it is. It's so delicious. All right. The real way I love this is to have a nice cup of ice and to pour it over that. All right, everybody. There is just something about drinks with ginger in it over ice. It's hot, but it's cold. So yummy for my raw food tummy. Have a great day, everybody, and a great raw life.